Now let's talk about variables in Python. So what is variables? Variables are containers for storing data values. So first of all, let me write a variable. So a is equal to WP coders club, b is equal to 50, and this 50 is stored in p, and if we write again c equal to 40.50, and this 40.50 is stored in c, and this is actually a number, and this is also number, but this is different, actually decimal number. So we'll talk about this type in what kind of data type is this in Python. But let me finish what is variable. So as you can see, I have assigned a is equal to WP coders club. That means inside this a I have a value called WP coders club, and this a is the container. Same like this b is also container, and this c is also container, which actually contains a values, which means these values, this is the values which actually are stored in this letter. Now if you want to actually show this WP coders club in terminal, you have to just print this variable. So I'm going to show you how to print this. To print it, just type print parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis just add the variable name that you want to display in terminal. So I have to show this WP coders club in my terminal, so that's why I'm actually adding this a. If I click on run, then you'll see that the WP coders club is showing on terminal. Now if I want to show this variable data in on terminal, then I have to type b. As you can see, I am showing 50 because this variable data is 50, and if I want to show this c variable data, then I have to just replace this b into with c. So 40.50. As you can, because of this is a decimal number, there is no use of 0 in decimal. So hope you understand what is variable and how to assign a variable. Now we are going to talk about data type.